Hey guys, we received this Hynes Eagle travel backpack for test and try. This is a 40-liter flight approved carry-on backpack and it's a large cabin weekender laptop backpack, can be used by anyone. So let's open and see the space and test and try this bag. So the first impression is a good nice size for a 15.6 inches laptop and also as a carry-on. It's a blue color that I received, and this is a great, like the zipper for the main luggage section. So this also have this um, hooks to carry on or to hold this bag. So let's open this. So this is the main like the luggage side here. So once this particular thing is open, you can see a hole like the carry on for the your clothes and everything. This also have a back net for the waterproof stuff and a zipper that you can put in your stuff in. So this is a great design, like you can store in your clothes here. Once this is closed, then you have used it as a backpack. So this have like can be open to the full length and the size, and this also have this handle here and the back straps here. You can also store this back strap back into the bag so that this will not come up. So the stitching quality, hold, everything is good. There's also a handle here. So the design is really nice, like they have kept everything in mind, now small stuff as well. So once you open up these buckles, you can just store these strap in the back. And now this is a regular like bag or carry-on thing. So it also have the back strap for the luggage, and you can store your water bottle here. You can also extend this and keep a big water bottle or anything in here. So this also have the vest strap. Like there were a lot of stuff I see in this bag, and this is a bag for the luggage. So um, these are a lot of stuff like you can put in your passport, mobile, or all the small things here, and it's handy to take it out. You don't have to open the whole luggage. So they have kept a lot of things in mind while using this on a travel. So my impression is a very nice backpack. You can also store your tablet, laptop here, and then put in the stuff. So you can store your clothes, you can store your laptop, back tablet, your passport, or anything like in here. And as a really good quality fabric here with the luggage strap, with the side straps, with these buckles. So let's put in the stuff just to show a little bit of the clothes. So here I'm just putting in some of this luggage and buckle it up. So you can see that you can easily buckle this up. So now you can just store in your laptop, tablet, or any other things here. You can store your mobile or the passport in the front pocket. So once this is all done, the still bag have a lot of space. As you can see, you can use the back strap. You can took it as a handle here. So this looks really nice in the hand as well. You can also use the back strap. So just take it out the back straps and put it in this buckles. Once this is done, this can be easily taken out as a backpack. So you can see like you will not even feel a lot of luggage and the things in here. And the backpack, you can of course adjust the back strap based on your requirement. I'm just doing a little demo, so I didn't adjust it too well, but you can still see a lot of space, lot of comfortable straps, and a great travel bag.